Guys, welcome to the channel IT Simplified. In today's video, we'll do a deployment of Backup Exec 20.1. So let's get started. I'm going to go to my server. I've already downloaded the ISO for Backup Exec 20.1. I'm going to open this and I'll right click and I'm going to open this with Windows Explorer. And what we'll do is run the browser file. Select the language. And in this step, you can go through getting started. You can check the pre-installation to run the environment checker, and you can also straight away go to the install product. So I'm going to pick install product, and I want to install Backup Exec. So this will be acting as a Backup Exec media server. So I'll pick this. I'm also keeping an eye on the watch, so let's see how long it takes to install this. I'll accept the licensing agreement and pick next. At this step, you can do a typical installation or a customized installation. We'll keep it simple. We're going to do typical installation. At this point, if you have the SLF file, you can import and from this step. In my case, I'm just gonna use this video to show you how to deploy. So I'm gonna just pick next. So this is a trial version, so that's okay with me. And here I'll provide the password. The username is okay. And the name of the server is Backup Exec Server 20.1. At this point, it is asking me add the report computer to which you want to push install the agent for Windows. If you do not want to push install agent for Windows, click next. So we are just doing installation of Backup Exec Media Server, so I'll do that later on. And from this point, I'm going to do the installation. So while this is getting installed, if you want to know what is the new features that been added to 20.1, you can go to veritas.com, and under backup and recovery, you can go to Backup Exec page, and this gives you the complete information about what are the new functionalities that have been added. So if you are on the older version, I recommend, if you want to use all these features which have been added and want to utilize that, you can upgrade from older version to the latest version if you're on the support, active support. If not, you can obviously contact Veritas and they can help you with that. But some of the new functionalities that have been added in 20.1 version is its integration with Veritas information map, which is a product in the portfolio of Veritas product line, which give you information about where your data is located, how old it is, whether it's on-prem or in the cloud. It has around about 25 cloud connectors, so give you a holistic view of what information you have, which allows you to take the business decision what you want to do with this information. And that is included with Backup Exec. So what they have done is that they have added a tab, and hopefully I will be able to show that. So that's a great addition to the 20.1 version. They've also included the subscription licensing option to make it much more easier for you, so pay as you go. And it's a flexible deployment option and hardened network security. So security is very important, we know. So they have taken care of and upgraded the security features within this release. Plus, along with the previous version, which Backup Exec included this connectivity or the cloud connectors for Azure, blob storage, Amazon S3, Google S3. Along with that, they have also included the Azure archival storage, which is a long-term storage option within Azure Public Cloud, and they have also included the coverage for Amazon Glacier along with S3, which was there in the previous version, which is again long time storage option within Amazon. So if you're thinking of keeping the data for a long time from the archival point of view, you can put that in the Glacier. And then there are some more options within S3, IBM Cloud in Phonica, and Amazon S3 in US for the government. That's also included with Backup Exec 20.1. And there's also some support now for the SQL 2017, the latest version of the Exchange, as you can see on the screen, along with DB9 64-bit. So if you fall under these categories and you want to utilize all these features, you can definitely want to upgrade to the latest version. Let's flip over to the deployment. So as you can see that the icon for Veritas Backup Exec has appeared on my desktop, and it is pretty fast, and it just took me under 10 minutes to deploy. So pretty good. So once it's almost finishing now, and once this is finished, we will log into our shiny Veritas Backup Exec 20.1. Perfect. So I can click on finish. And if you want to fill up the survey, you can do that, but I want to skip this. I will close all these. Okay, let me open 20.1 version. It's a trial version that I downloaded from veritas.com website. And here we go, we are on the main page. I will close this. This gives you a complete list of the new additions that which I showed you just a little while ago. So I'll close this, and let me expand the Veritas BE logo. And these are some of the options you can go through. Let me make it full screen. Let's expand this again. Go to configuration and setting. You can see backup exec setting, login accounts, alert and notifications. So all those things you can go through and configure. You have the tab for home, which I'm on right now. Backup and restore, job monitor. You want to add the storage. You want to look at the reports. So all those things are available for you to play around. You want to configure your backup to cloud, you can have a look over here. You want to create your disaster recovery disk, you can look at the backup exec services, you can look at that too. So all of them are running right now. Okay. Okay, I'm on the backup exec setting page. I'm just showing you all these options which are available for you. If I go under the installation and licensing, and you can install features and licensing on this backup exec server, or you can install agents and backup exec server on other servers, so you can do the push installation too. Just want to open the first option, and here I was talking about you can import the licensing file, what you call .slf file. So these are the options which are already installed over here by default, but if you want to have some advanced option, you can also tick mark and you can apply from here. So I'm not going to do that. Come out of this. You want to look at the local server properties, you can do it. So you can see that I'm running version 20. That's the latest version which has been released by backup exec. Okay, so perfect. With this, we have successfully deployed backup exec 20 version, and took me just under 10 minutes to completely deploy this on my brand new server. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.